in the realm in different possibilities. I am here as a great man that inspire and willing to bring clarity, integrity, and be a good role model. Not just for my peers and also for the future generations. Because a great man is a man who is gentle and has wisdom that can influence everyone. Thank you.
Up next, we welcome to our top 18, Bacolod City.
Bacolod.
As a great man, I may not be perfect. I commit mistakes. Sometimes I do the right things. But I am also a role model to the younger generations. And despite the hardships and obstacles in life, I will try and I will inspire the younger generations. Thank you.
Everybody give it up for Butuan City.
I am a great man of resilience and strong determination. I have faced challenges that shook my confidence. But I rise. And a year ago, I battled self-doubt and insecurity because of my body weight. But then I decided to change. So I started working out while juggling work, and little by little, I regained confidence. And that, in my journey, I have learned that it is the toughest battles that we have to follow, and if we are able to overcome that, we are able to inspire other people to see their own potential. Thank you.